What you doing this year? What you doing?
How are you? Once again, thank you. I'm so glad. Thank you very much. Thank you. Good to be here. Thank you very much.
Excellency, please take a seat. Excellency, I must say.
It is in your hand. And I promise you, just don't keep quiet. Don't procrastinate. Don't be frightened about investments in Nigeria. Bring it on. Ask your questions. Make your requests. The trade and investment opportunity is enormous. I have a team, and I am the captain of that team. I assure you, we solve problems. Thank you very much.
I am truly deeply touched by your openness, by your invitation to call Indian businessmen to set up Versity in Nigeria. Importantly, to tell them that you are there to listen to their problems and that you, as the captain of the country, will resolve those issues for the benefit of all Nigerians as well as the investors.